You know, when we want to get creative and really leave our mark on something, well, that's when we go to the folks at AP Lazer, and that's where we have our favorite question and answer guy. Tony, you have a new machine.
Yes, we do, Kathy.
Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing all kinds of different stuff here. You know, everything that we've come to know and love about AP Lazer, but with some new twists.
Absolutely. We've got a new design with new software, so it's easier for the customers to use. We've got some other innovations that make it easier to clean out the cut materials and things like that.
I'm seeing a screen over here that I don't remember seeing on any of the other AP Lazers.
That's right. The new software has a preview screen so you can actually see your work before you start using it. It just helps make things easier for the customer in the end.
And we're still using the laptop to set everything up.
That's correct. So AP Lazer still comes as a turnkey package. You still get all the accessories, including the laptop and software, also on-site training. So our technician is going to come to your location, spend time with you and your team, get you trained, make sure you're up and running, and then after that, you've still got 24/7 tech support for life.
Oh, and that's what's really cool about AP Lazer. But and the other thing that you mentioned that was new on this machine, Tony, about pieces falling through. Is there like a tray underneath now?
We've got a new design cutting table. So when you're cutting wood or acrylic, things like that, the little pieces are actually going to fall through and get out of the way so you don't damage them.
Because the AP Lazer machine, as we've seen in the past, Tony, all different types of materials, not just metal, but we're talking about wood and signs and all kinds of things.
That's right. We got customers that are using it for stone, leather, wood, acrylic, just about anything. When it comes to metals, like powder coat, paint, you can take those off. If it's stainless, you can actually add graphics or images back on with some laser marking compound.
Well, you have a bunch of stuff that you brought with you today to kind of show us some of the neat things that you can do. Give us an idea of what we're seeing here today.
We brought a couple of things that we made, some wood signs and then also a light up LED acrylic sign.
Oh, I like that one. Yeah, and these are things that, okay, let's say that you're looking to get in to maybe a sideline business or something like that. You can do that with AP Lazer, and not just the machine that we're seeing here today. You have some other sizes.
Correct. This is our mid-size laser. This is a 40-inch by 24-inch. I've also got a larger one that's 4 foot by 3 foot, but then I go smaller down to 18-inch by 12-inch.
So if you already have an established shop, and say you wanted one of the smaller AP Lazer machines to kind of based on the size area that you have, and you have something for everybody, you know, to mark tools, to do all kinds of things like that, not just to be creative. I mean, you can actually use this to leave your mark.
Absolutely. You can put branding on it, logos, personalizations, you name it.
How hard is the training on a machine like this?
The hardest part is just the software, but it's pretty easy to use. You can take any graphic or image and load it into the software. If you need any help, just give our guys a call. They'll answer it right over the phone. They can even remote on your computer and help walk you through it.
And most people are comfortable with their PCs or their laptops, but let's say, I don't know a whole lot about computers. How about those folks?
I've got retirees that they've never really even worked on computers, and they're hitting the ground running with their lasers with our tech support.
What about power? I mean, like in here, we don't have the 220.
No, everything is easy. It's plug and play. It's got 110 volt, and the most it's going to pull is about 14 amps, so you can run it on a standard breaker.
What about the warranty after the fact on something like this?
Every AP Lazer comes with a 3-year warranty right out of the box. So everything's going to be covered on the laser for 3 years. The laser tube itself is going to have a 2-year warranty, and then all the lens and mirrors have a 6-month warranty.
And of course, like you said, you know, with the training and the support that goes on with this, it's just absolutely amazing. What would be one of your favorite things to use the AP Lazer on?
I have a couple of kids, so my kids like to design things. And what's really fun for me is when I actually take one of their drawings, like their art projects, and scan it into the computer and actually laser that for Mom for Mother's Day.
That's really cool. And you know, you think about some of the home design things and stuff that we see, the signs on the walls, and you can do so many things with the AP Lazer.
Absolutely. A couple of our customers have Etsy stores where they're making the home decors, like the wall signs, and they're using the laser to cut it out, and they're making a killing.
You know, with a machine this size, whether you have something flat, whether you have, we've seen you guys do things that are round cups, types like things like that, sliding big pieces underneath, you can do so much. So if you give the folks a call at AP Lazer and speak to their customer service representatives, make sure you mention Performance TV and they'll hook you up with a special deal. APLazer.com. We'll have more Performance TV right after this.